make your own magnetic compass. So let us continue with the second lesson, playing with magnets. In this magnets, let us learn about to make your own magnetic compass. So how to make your own magnetic compass? We can make our own magnetic compass. How to make our own magnetic compass? For that, you have to collect some of the materials. So what materials you have to collect? You have to collect a glass, and then nail, glass, a nail, and a cork. Cork means a wooden cork. You have to collect a wooden cork. And a small water, small amount of detergent. So how to do this is, take a glass, fill it with water, add little amount of detergent to it. After this, place a cork. Now before placing the cork, take a cork and a nail, place it on the cork. So after placing it in the cork, take this cork and put it inside the glass. This cork floats in the water, floats on the water. When it floats in the water, their movement takes place. The cork, some movement of the cork takes place. And next, observe the change. So what do you observe here? The direction of this nail. What happens? It changes its direction towards the north and south. Here, this nail, it changes its direction towards the north and south. Means the position of the cork changes inside the water. So when it comes to the rest position, it shows the direction of north and south. So by this we can make your own magnetic compass. Okay, now let us learn about magnetic induction. For this, to know about magnetic induction, let us do one of the activity. So for that, what you have to take a bar magnet. So what materials are available with this I am showing you now. I have taken a bar magnet and a coin and a safety pin. So first, what I am doing here, bring this coin near to this bar magnet. So when you bring near this bar magnet, this coin is attracting here. To see it nicely, this coin is attracting here, and take this safety pin and put it near the coin, and this safety pin is attracted by the coin. Means here the coin is attracted by the magnet and the safety pin is attracted to the coin. Safety pin attracts the coin. So here this safety pin is in contact with this coin. This shows some of the magnetic property is included in this coin due to the bar magnet. Due to this bar magnet, some of the magnetic property is present in this coin. So this property enables the safety pin to attract to the coin. So what is that property? It is called as a magnetic induction. Now what is magnetic induction? Magnetic property possessed by a magnetic substance. This is called as a magnetic substance. Why it is called as a magnetic substance means, here this is bar magnet. I am keeping it near this coin. I am keeping it near the bar magnet. This coin is called as the magnetic substance. The magnetic property possessed by the magnetic substance due to the presence of a magnet. Due to the presence of a magnet is called as magnetic induction. Means this is called as the magnetic substance. The magnetic property possessed by a magnetic substance due to the presence of magnet near it. So it is called as magnetic induction. So once again I'll write it. Magnetic property possessed by a magnetic substance due to the presence of magnet near it is called magnetic induction. The magnetic property possessed by magnetic substance due to the presence of magnet near it is called magnetic induction. This is the definition of magnetic induction. If I remove this coin from the magnet, what happens? See, already I placed a magnet coin and a safety pin here. A 3 are in line. This shows a magnetic induction here. If I remove this this coin from the magnet, what happens? What happens here? See here, this magnetic substance, it already possesses some of the magnetic property. If you keep another chain, it will not attract. So what happens? It will fall down. This safety pin will fall down. Now next what you do, take a magnet and bring the coin near the magnet. And when don't touch it, just maintain some distance. And when you bring near it, take the safety pin and just try to keep it to the coin. So what happens? This safety pin, it attracts to the coin. Means here it shows, this shows that due to magnetic induction, safety pin acts as a magnet. Means here due to magnetic induction, this coin acts as a magnet here. Why it acts as a magnet? Means just I am bringing the coin near the magnet. So when I bring the coin near the magnet, this safety pin is attracting to the coin. You can see it very clearly here. I am not touching to the bar magnet. Some distance I am maintaining here. So here this coin acts as a magnet to this safety pin.